Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your brush color in Photoshop. Whether you're sketching doodles, painting digital artwork, or just adding a touch of flair to a photo, being able to control your brush color is one of the most fundamental skills in Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to change your brush color, but also a few tips to avoid common pitfalls and get your creative flow going straight away. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up Photoshop. If you already have it open, great, otherwise just double-click the Photoshop icon on your desktop or find it in your Applications folder. You'll see the classic welcome screen pop up. Go ahead and open a new canvas or an existing file that you want to edit. This is where your creativity will come to life. Now up next, let's select the brush tool. You can find this on the left-hand side in the toolbar. It looks like a little paintbrush. If you're a fan of shortcuts, just hit the letter B on your keyboard and the brush tool will immediately activate. The brush tool is your main tool for drawing and painting in Photoshop, so it'll probably become your best friend as you spend more time with the program. Before we start painting, there's a crucial step you don't want to skip. Making sure your layer is unlocked. If you're working on the background layer, which Photoshop often locks by default, look in the Layers panel on the right. You should see a little padlock icon. Just click it to unlock the layer. Unlocking your layer means you can now paint, edit, and manipulate that canvas freely. If you try painting on a locked layer, Photoshop will stop you, so this is a little safety check before we start playing with colors. Once your layer is unlocked, let's do a quick test. Try writing or drawing something with your brush. Maybe just scribble a simple line or write your name, whatever feels right. This helps confirm that your brush is working smoothly and that your layer is ready to go. Sometimes you might notice nothing appears when you draw. If that happens, double-check that you are on the correct layer and that it's not hidden or locked. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find your way around. The interface can look a little busy, but you'll get comfortable with it soon. Now let's get to the fun part, the brush color. Right above your tools in the left toolbar, you'll see two overlapping squares. One should be black and the other white by default. That top square represents your active color or foreground color. Click on it. This opens up the Color Picker panel, a whole world of color options at your fingertips. In this panel, you can use the big color slider to hone in on the general shade you want, and then click around in the larger square to choose the exact tone and brightness. Photoshop gives you a live preview, so don't be afraid to experiment. Pick a color that inspires you, whether it's a vibrant red, a calming blue, or something bold like neon green. Once you've settled on your choice, just click OK. Your brush is now loaded with that color. Go ahead and draw another line or shape to see the new color in action. You'll notice the change right away. It really helps bring your artwork or edits to life. If the color isn't quite right, you can always repeat the process and adjust until it's perfect. Think of the color picker like choosing paint for your walls. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find the one that matches your mood. That's all there is to it. Changing your brush color in Photoshop is simple, but it opens up endless possibilities for creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions along the way, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.